Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, and today we're going to go over how to sell your LMS courses with e-commerce. So this is a great way to create passive income for your organization if you want to sell your courses to third parties. We have many customers who use this feature to great success because once you create the course and send it off to your network, your job is done, and this is able to create revenue for your business forever. So to start, we're going to be in content in this left-hand menu bar, and we're going to go into a content. Let's say we choose virtual reality. I'm choosing this just because it's a course that I know is very popular and something that is kind of up and coming in the business. From here, you can see all of the course details, but if you go to configuration in the center, this little middle tab here, and scroll down, you'll see e-commerce. To turn this on, you can turn on payment required and list your price. Let's say it's $100 to create this course. And then you can use this dropdown to show how long that they get access to this course. So let's say that you get 36 months access if you're feeling generous. Just make sure to save and see this success green bar up here to make sure that you know you've done it correctly. From here, let's go over to the learner side to see what it would look like for an end user. We're going to go to learning paths, and I'll search virtual reality. You can see this here, and you can see that we have 36 months access for 100 USD. From here, they can add to the cart and check out. You can also use this tool for when you're creating courses from scratch. So for example, let's go back to the admin side in content. And let's say you chose to add a course. I'll just say test for now. Test. And you'll go back to this configuration to e-commerce here. To have this feature on your Knowledge Anywhere LMS, you'll need to talk to your point of contact here on our team in order to enable it. You can reach out to that person via email, phone, or you can contact our support at any time at support@knowledgeanywhere.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.